In front of me is OPPO FIND N2 FLIP, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. First of all, go into Settings and tap on Connection and Sharing. Now you need to tap on Print section over here and click on Default Print Service. Then wait. Your device is now looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect with. If you wish to use different print service, you need to disable this one by tapping on this blue switcher next to Default Print Service, and then tap on the back button. Following that, click on Add Print Service and install the best one for you. I will go with HP one. When your service is ready, tap on the back button twice. Finally, just click on your new service and wait again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!